What's up, Sir Fam? We're going to Iloilo. We're gonna get that WR155 for Montenegro Lines. 1 hour travel. Let's go. It's white boy. Walking na kami. Ito na kami Iloilo. Doon. For the WR155. Downtown. We're checking shoes. So, andito na kami sa Verfam. Doon namin kukunin sa loob. Kasi police yung may-ari. May-ari ng WR155. So, it's a second hand for a cheaper price. Papasok na kami muna sa school kasi wala pa naman yung imi-meet up. Nagkagandahan lang ako sa school sa Verfam. Andun yung police station kaso wala pa siya. Antayin muna natin dito. Akala ko yan. Hindi pa pala. The bike is here. Try. Damn, that thing looks kinda big on you, bro. I like that. Ganda, di ba? Bilhin mo naka-decals na naka-Sumo tires. I think you will ride it. Last sold na. Let's go na. We're gonna take this home. So, sold na siya sa Verfam. Babiyahin na kami papuntang Dumangas. Ganda. Kuha namin Coast Guard, punta namin sa ferry. It's the bike over there. Grabe na, tasaran talaga. Hindi na makapag-video kasi hindi action cam, phone lang. I don't like this, guys. There's a lot of papers on my hand. Everything's fee, terminal fee, my fee, bike's fee. So we're waiting for another ship because we didn't make it through. It's about to leave now. So, see you with the next ship on the next one. Open sesame, we're back to Bacolod. Yeah, it's already buildings. And we have the WR from Iloilo. Chok? You miss us, Chok? You missed us? No, there's a video, ha? You're making yourself handsome, ha? Ito na yung WR. We're back. Pahinga namin sa Verfam. Pagod na. Hanggang susunod na lang na. Now? Oh, I thought now. So hanggang next vlog sa Verfam. Ride wisely and ride safe always. Ganda. Good morning, Sir Fam. So, it's another day. Punta tayo sa Grahe. So, unang mag-good morning si Sonic. Yan. Tingnan natin yung WR. Ito pa pala isa. Mag-good morning. Up! Tapos si Cry. Di pa natin lagay yung plate number niya. At from Iloilo, wala pang pangalan. Si WR155. Yan. So, nagustuhan ko talaga sa Iloilo. Grabe, disiplinado yung mga tao dun. Compare dito, pero hindi ko nila lahat. Si ano pa pala? Ito. Si TMX Supremo. Si Supreme na lang to. Yung nagustuhan ko sa Iloilo is yung port. Mas mahaba yung river. Papasok ka talaga sa river ng Iloilo. Tapos yung mga tao, kapag nasa pedestrian ka na, totally stop lahat. Dito sa amin, Bacolod, iba eh. Parang babanggain ka pa. Kapag nasa pedestrian ka, tatawid. Next is, makwento ko pala, may babae doon na sinuway kami. In a nice way. Kasi, pag park ko ng motor doon, nilagay ko sa may mga bulaklak. So, medyo natamaan talaga ng front tire yung mga bulaklak sa, sa gutter, sa gilid. Sinabi nilang naman na Yeah, that's not good to hit the flowers. So, nabigla kami. Pero, narinig namin yung nag-sorry kami agad. So, ano yung sa ano talaga, yung sa nature lover din sila. Kaya, nung maliit pa tayo, alam niyo yung mga signage, keep off the grass. Parang gano'n lang rin yun. So, bumalik siya, nag-sorry pa kami ulit. Sa kanya, babae yan. Doon rin sa police station. So, naging okay, nag-smile na siya. Siguro magmamontage na tayo sa Burfam. Lahat ng motor. So, 3, 2, 1. Let's do montage.
Rolling slow, yeah. The sun's sinking low. Hitting up the boulevard, see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast breeze, got the vibe on lock. Cruising all day, no tick tick of the clock. Hit the beach, feet up in the sand. Ooh, yeah. Wave to the ocean, yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by.